Alright, so I'm just going to make a quick video for you guys because I did not see any others online. This is a 2012 Dodge Durango. This is the Citadel. This is a Hemi. And this is a two-wheel drive, as you can see. Now, I'm having starter issues. The starter just clicks. I also had a bad battery, but anyways, the battery, we got the new one. Now I just want to show you guys where the starter is and basically how easy it is to do. So hang tight, let me get set up and I'll show you where to get to the starter. You'll want to jack it up and put it on jack stands unless you have a lift, just like that. So I'm under the car. This is the driver's side, and if you look right here, you can see the starter. Now there's a 10mm bolt right there, so we need to get that shield off first. And then one on top. Alright, just gonna set that stuff to the side. Now you have this clip here. You just got to press down and it releases. That was right here. Make sure your battery is unhooked, and then I think that's either a 13 or a 15 right there. We need to get that power wire off. So the power wire is going to be a 13, so we will need that. Okay, so I'm able to get in there just like that, and boom. So let's get this off, and then we'll move to the back, and we'll get the two mounting bolts off. Let me show you right here. So that's what it looks like, and then just pull this off and out of the way. And now we're going to need to remove two 15mm bolts. One and two right there. So one and two. And then the two 15mm mounting bolts are right there, 1 and 2. These have red markings on them. I'm not sure what that's for, but let's get them out. Okay, there's one, and the last one I'm just going to get by hand since it's a little tight. But from what I've seen, if you have all-wheel drive or whatever 4x4, it's yeah, you're gonna have a lot more fun than me. So, but yeah, let me get this out and we'll check it out. Okay, so this is the starter, and as you can see, it is original. So that's probably the problem. Over a decade, it's I'd say it's done its job. So let's match it up with a new one and get it in. So as you can see, they look identical. So, and they gave us bolts for the shield, so I'm going to take these out and get them ready. But yeah, everything looks good, and we'll get this sucker on. Nice. Alright, I'm going to chuck them with a ratchet, and then we'll get all the other connections. Alright, so I went ahead and tightened up my 13. It's right there, and then you put your wire on there, make sure it clicks on, and last but not least, let's get this shield back on and we'll be all set. Let's start her up. Alright guys, here's the grand finale. Let's see what happens. Alright, I'm dual recording. Oh wow, that's nice. Yes sir. Alright, So what we're going to do now is we are going to, as you can see, we got some signals on the dash. We're going to let it warm up. We're going to check the codes, and then we're just going to go from there. Anyways, guys, I want to thank you for watching this tutorial on how to replace a starter on a 2012 Dodge Durango. This is a Hemi with a 2-wheel drive. All right, my friends, if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive how-to videos. Yes, sir.